Welcome to Gadlafy Foundations, and in this session we'll be looking into diffusion for biology for the BGCSE. So first of all, we have to know what diffusion is. And diffusion is defined as the movement of molecules from that region of high concentration to a region of low concentration down the concentration gradient. So when we have a closed system is here, and we can see that here is a high region. This is a region of high concentration. And this is a region of low concentration. Low concentration. We're going to see the movement of these particles from the region of high concentration to the region of low concentration. And this is going to happen until all the particles are evenly spread out. Until all the particles are evenly spread out. And then we have the factors that affect the rate of diffusion. And those include temperature, particle size, and the concentration gradient. So with temperature, when you have particles in a system at, let's say, 10 degrees Celsius, and we also have another system at 15 degrees Celsius with the same number of particles. The particles in a region, in a system with higher temperature, will move faster because at a higher temperature, the particles gain kinetic energy. And move faster. Henceforth, a higher rate of diffusion. The particles here will move even faster in the 50 degrees Celsius closed system. And then with particle size, we can have a system with small particle sizes and one with large particle sizes. And the higher, or let's say the larger, the particle size, the lower the rate of diffusion. Because larger particles have greater inertia. They have a more resistance to movement, so they'll move less. They'll move at a slower speed than the particles than the smaller particles. And then we have the concentration gradient. With the concentration gradient, we can have the concentration gradient is the difference. It is the difference between the two concentrations. We can have system A and system B. And in system A, we have these particles here, and then we have these same particles this side. And then we can have in system B particles here and a few particles here. We see that A has a higher concentration gradient. A has a lower, A has a lower concentration gradient. While B has a higher concentration gradient. Therefore, particles in B will move faster to the region of lower concentration than in A, because the higher the concentration gradient, the faster the rate of diffusion. We can also say, other than say the higher, we can say the steeper the concentration gradient. So that was it about diffusion. Thank you.